Welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I have another two Happy Mail Monday. First one is a small envelope from Michelle Slater in Prince George, BC, and this is an ATC swap. We got some washi tape off the back of the envelope. There's a little bit on the front too, along the bottom here. And one of the new fox stickers out for the season. What do we got in here? Oh, cute. Little girl jumping in the leaves. And a little pile of books. A few more autumn. I would say they're probably printables. Seem to be on photocopy paper. And then a little piece of scrapbooking paper, about ATC size. All of these are. And then a paper tag. Looks like a pumpkin spice latte. And then the card itself is protected with a piece of cardstock. And then it's also in a clear plastic sleeve. So it says, in autumn, don't go to the jewelers to see gold, go to the parks. And there's a beautiful autumn scene there. And on the back it says, to see gold, Falls End, number 2 of 6. Made on November 1st, 2025. That's fresh because it's the 18th today. So that's a fun one. And then a bigger envelope from Caroline Jensen from Vernon, BC. And then there's a bigger one here, 8.5 by 11 from Caroline Jensen from Vernon, BC. She's done a good job of taping it up. Looks like it was a bigger envelope and she folded it over both directions. I'll reuse it, it'll just be smaller when I reuse it. All right, so that's the envelope. And then we've got everything protected by some cardstock and washi tape. I didn't check to see if we were doing a swap. Let me just look at my messenger messages here. Caroline. Oh, you know what? I bet it is. I bet it's napkins. Yep. Napkin swap from Thistledew Creations, my own group. And we were to do 12. So I got the bonus of the baby blue paper. Awesome. And let's see what we've got here. I don't have this one. It's beautiful. Pink and red. Open roses or peonies or I don't know. Does anyone know what kind of flower this actually is? Very pretty. Very pretty. And then some fall leaves. I think I have one of those. Just one that I got in a swap. And then some blue butterflies. These are pretty. Nice light background. I like the nice light backgrounds because I often put them over top of music paper and it allows the music to show through the napkin. And then, oh, this one's really pretty. This one, it feels like that non-woven paper. Very pretty. Gold accents with the pink and blue and purple. Very, very pretty. And then another all-over floral. Some lilies and roses. We've got a little card here. Chardonnay. Nice. A little hummingbird and a bow and a tab. And some fuzzy yarn. And that must just be a wine label. Very cool. And what's this? Thanks for swapping napkins with me. Put in extras in case some you don't like. Caroline. Oh, this one's pretty. I even like the plainer background part. Kind of cartoony, but pretty. These pretty colors. And then here's another one of those ones. I don't think it's rice paper. This one has Christmas bells. These ones are very thin. So there's 4 images. And that's almost like a pinkish red. Oh, I like this one. The holly leaves and berries. And then the creamy yellow background. That one almost feels like there might be another layer on there. Sometimes I don't know until I get them stuck down. The bottom layer sticks and the top layer comes up. That's a Hallmark Cards one. I don't usually see Hallmark napkins. Reminisce, another holly with a green watercolor looking background. That's pretty. I think the only one so far that I already had was this one. She sent me 2 of those. Again, I like the light background, so that doesn't bother me at all. And then this one, I'm going to say it feels like it might have, it's very thin, but it almost looks like it has another layer of white. That one's got a bit darker background, and it's interesting. It's got quite a dense pattern here and a much less dense pattern over there. Hey, Mama. You talking to the camera for a minute? You'll get your treats in a second. Oh, look at the Easter bunny with the glasses and the flowers. Isn't that cute? That'll make a fun addition to an Easter journal. Or some Easter ephemera. Oh, and purple butterflies. Those are nice. Oh, and there's even dragonflies on there. I love me some dragonflies. And foxes. Those are cute. And more butterflies. And a pretty floral border. It has very much watercolored look to it. Very pretty. Ooh, this one's rich. I keep saying it over and over again. Red isn't really my color. But I know some people who really do like it. And they will love if I make something out of this for them. The butterflies are pretty. The background is gorgeous. This is really pretty. I could glue this up and make some pretty cool tickets and tags with it. I never have too many lavender tickets and tags. That's got nice pretty colors too. It always surprises me when I see pink and orange together. It looks so good. And then some really pretty pink roses. And a bird cage with some cherry blossoms. Very pretty. Poppies. Don't often see poppy napkins. I wonder where those came from. They have a nice quality to them too. Kind of embossed texture that's not usually seen on napkins. It's more that you see on cardstock, where it has like a woven feel and look to it. This one's nice and bright with some grapes and sunflowers. Lots of greens. Here's another one that you could use to make a bunch of little labels. Cute. Tulips, nice for spring. I love a galvanized bucket. And I absolutely love lavender, so that's awesome. Even has a bee on it. And more roses. Those are beautiful, and I love the polka dots. Very pretty. And what have we got? A bunch of cards. So these seem to be die cuts. I'm wondering if they are stickers. Yeah, they're like a cardstock, but it's a sticker. And that one has 2 die cuts. You got the square that says thanks, and then you've got the border, which is a wavy edge. And then this one is a tag with, it even has the hole, but it's a sticker. So I might back those onto some coffee dyed paper and make little tags with them. So great haul. I will get these photographed and a shout out made in the group, Thistledew Creations. We have started doing some swaps on there, so if you are interested in doing swaps, join us. Thistledew Creations Facebook group. There's a link in the description box below. And we've done playing cards, napkins, and snippet strips. And I'm not sure what we're going to do next. I'd like to initiate, oh, I know what. I did a video just recently where I made a little folder booklet out of index cards, and I asked if anyone wanted to swap those. That'll be probably the next thing. And then I'll be coming up with other ideas of things we can swap. We might even start a little Happy Mail exchange if everyone wants to. And yeah, there might be other exciting things in the new year. I'm thinking of sharing some of my stash in the new year. So if you're interested in getting some thrifted things and overstock of craft supplies, then I will have some of that stuff available as well. Probably not really for sale as much as accumulating stuff in a box until it's full and then mailing it to you. And that can be done as a swap or a small purchase price just to cover the postage and the time. Anyway, we'll talk more about that. But if you are interested in doing swaps, come and join us. We'd love to have you. Our group is growing slowly, and we would love to have some new people to swap with. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most of all, have a great day and happy crafting.